If your window stop working, probably one of these brittle ass fucking wires. That's one of my new ones. I got off of this door right here. I had to use a couple of them because them bitches brittle as fuck, keep fucking breaking and shit. Inside here, make your window don't want to roll up and shit. You see that? I did one over here and one right there. Just some fucking little ass shit. This shit ain't gonna cause no trouble, but you see that? They break off the inside of here right there. Make your window stop when it work. So just splicing in that, boom. Hit it with one of those, and you're back in business. This is my box Chevy though. Got the dash in the back. Still waiting on my headliner to get done so I can put these pillars and shit back on. I'm about to get an amp because I got these speakers right here, all in the door and the two in the back. These ones. And my headliner. These are always breaking off. You got any idea what I could do to put these back on? Probably fiberglass or some shit. Just let me know. Door panels and shit back on. I need to take them back off and figure out something with this because this shit loose as fuck. This shit irritating. Did y'all see that? That box Chevy? Lights, them LEDs. It's my work around on my box. Just started it today. Went to go get some gas yesterday and shit. Shit all clean. I need to get a fucking new gas tank because my gas tank leaking. It's probably because that sending unit not working. See that shit? It's not bad, but this shit leaking a little bit. So I need to drop this gas tank, get a new gas tank and sending unit, and that should be fixed. That's my box Chevy. Box Chevy's A.